Say hello to Gotham Steel Pro, the award-winning, chef-preferred non-stick cookware system. Gotham Steel Pro is the ultimate pan that has world-class durability, is constructed from heavy-gauged, hard anodized aluminum, has a triple-coated titanium and ceramic-infused non-stick surface, comes with cast stainless steel handles, and has a reputation for transforming what you cook every day into five-star gourmet. With Gotham Steel Pro, you can sear, saute, flambe, and even bake to create restaurant-quality meals right at home. It's metal utensil safe and won't scratch, 100% dishwasher safe and PFOA free. It may likely be the last pan you'll ever need. So if you're ready to cook for real, then you're ready for Gotham Steel.
Make food preparation easy with the Gorilla Grip Original 3-piece cutting board set. Our boards are larger and thicker than most brands for long-lasting quality. The durable rubber border helps keep the board in place on smooth, clean surfaces. The boards are dishwasher safe, making cleaning a cinch. Introducing the Gorilla Grip Splatter Screen. Help prevent splatters and messes while you cook. Constructed of durable stainless steel with a premium B-shape, it won't bend or warp. Featuring extra fine mesh and a soft and comfortable rubber handle. Keeps messes off counters with resting feet. Plus, it's dishwasher safe for an easy cleanup.
Fried foods are everyone's favorite, but all that oil and grease are unhealthy and can make you fat. Now, there's a healthier way with my Gotham Steel air fryer. The fast, easy and super healthy way to fry foods without even using oil or fat. We use air instead. The secret is the new technology using cyclonic circulation of superheated air to fry the food. It guarantees a crispy outside while locking in flavor. And the result? Up to 70% less fat and calories. And it's so easy to use. Just fill the basket with any food like these frozen fries. Then close it and set the timer. It works with any type of food up to 400 degrees. And after just 10 minutes, you'll have crispy, fat-free French fries. Or air fry some fresh battered shrimp in 15 minutes. Then just toss in a spicy sauce for a great delight. Transform these corn tortillas into warm homemade nachos in under 5 minutes. It's also great for frozen store-bought snacks like these crunchy pizza logs or melty mozzarella sticks. But it's not just for fried food. Turn this frozen beef into an incredible pot roast in under 30 minutes. And the perforated air basket strains off all the fat. And it's the best way to make bacon. Yum! Here's my favorite, light crispy donuts with an oozing center.
Introducing the Gorilla Grip Premium Can Opener. The most powerful can opener you've ever used. The oversized turn knob makes opening cans easier. And the cushioned, slip-resistant handles provide a comfortable grip. A sharp and durable stainless steel blade gives a clean cut through metal lids. Plus, it includes a bonus built-in can and bottle opener. We hope you love your new can opener from Gorilla Grip.